Applying to UK universities can feel like juggling multiple tasks, from writing personal statement to requesting references, and let's not forget admission tests, all on different timelines. Without a solid plan, things can get overwhelming very quickly. But what if I told you there's a way to stay on top of it all and boost your chances? Stick around to learn how to create a powerful plan that keeps you organized and ready for success. Hello and welcome back to our channel where we empower students and parents and school counselors to make informed decisions on the journey for higher education admission. Today, we're diving into creating an effective preparation plan tailored to UK university applications. By the end, you'll have a clear strategies to stay organized, tackle each requirement, and meet every deadline. First step in any plan is to map out what's actually required. For most UK university applications, you'll need a personal statement, academic references, your academic transcript, of course, and sometimes admission tests or even an interview. Knowing each component is key because they all require different preparation. Once you have outlined the application requirements, the next step logically would be to break down your timeline. Ideally, start your planning several months before the main deadline, either being UCAS or university deadline. This means setting monthly goals. For example, you might allocate 1 month for brainstorming and drafting your personal statement, another for admission test prep, and another for gathering references, and so forth. Having these milestones makes the whole process manageable and keeps you on track. Each week, set small, achievable goals that contribute to the bigger picture. For instance, 1 week might be focusing on refining your personal statement, the next week on practice tests, and so forth. This method helps you make steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. Plan to have review sessions for each part of your application. Let's say you're done with your first draft of the personal statement, schedule time to revisit it after a week or so. This gives you a fresh perspective and helps you refine your application materials with a critical eye. Using organizational tools like our digital planner can be a game changer. We've even created a specially designed digital planner that includes sections specifically for your university application tasks. It helps you track every component from personal statement writing, deadlines, to personal notes, all in one place. If you're interested, check out the link below to learn more. Finally, build in a buffer for the unexpected. Life happens, and there might be times when things don't go as planned, so aim to finish your application tasks a week or two or even more before the deadline to avoid any last-minute stress. So let's recap. Understand all parts of your application requirements. Break down your timeline into months and weeks. Set aside review periods. Use organizational tools such as our digital planner. And finally, plan for any unexpected delays. By following these steps, you'll stay organized and confident throughout the application process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guidance on university admissions. And if you'd like support in creating an effective university admission plan, book a discovery call with us. We'll help you create a personalized plan and make sure you're prepared for every step of the way. Plus, don't forget to check out our digital planner linked below. It's designed to make your application journey smooth and stress free. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.